Welcome to the topic of graphing simple inequalities on a number line. An inequality states a relationship where a value is less than or greater than another. Let's explore how to graph the inequality x2. To graph x2, start by identifying the critical point. The critical point is 2. This point is where the inequality changes. Thus, we will focus on this point. Next, we place an open circle on the number 2 to indicate that 2 is not in the solution set. This means values greater than 2 will be included, but not 2 itself. To represent the solution set, we draw a line extending to the right from the open circle. This illustrates that all values greater than 2 are included in the solution. You may ask, how would I graph x=q? In this case, we would use a closed circle instead of an open circle to show that 2 is included in the solution set. Let's graph another inequality, x-5. First, identify the key point at 5. Use an open circle at 5 and draw a line to the left. This shows all values less than 5 are included in the solution. By understanding how to graph simple inequalities visually, you can effectively represent them on a number line. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.